If you don't like missing out but crave cutting-edge tech, then the iPhone 17 Pro Max is your dream come true. This beauty is not just a phone, it's a powerhouse. With the groundbreaking A19 Pro chip, performance is off the charts. Think lightning-fast gaming, seamless video editing, and multitasking like never before. Let's talk design. The iPhone 17 Pro Max flaunts a sleek, premium look with top-notch materials. Plus, the new design is not just eye candy, it's built to last. Now the camera. Get ready to capture your world in stunning detail with advanced low-light performance, insane zoom capabilities, and pro-level video quality. Your Instagram is about to go viral. Battery and charging, we've got you covered. A larger battery for all-day use and 35W charging speeds mean you're always powered up and ready to roll. And of course, seamless integration with your favorite Apple devices makes this the ultimate addition to your tech arsenal. The future is here, and it fits right in your hand. iPhone 17 Pro Max. Are you ready for the next level?